How to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Steam's cloud synchronization error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take is open up your Steam and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, simply just head over to the top left corner on the Steam option and click on it, and there you'll see the settings. Tap on settings and it should open up this right here. After you're here, you'll find the cloud option. Tap on cloud and there you should see enable Steam Cloud synchronization for application which supported. Now the reason why you are facing the error is due to this being turned off. All you have to do to fix the error is turn this on. Even if it is turned on and it's not working, just turn it off and then turn it back on again. After doing that, your error should get fixed. And that's the fix for the issue, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more. And if you're not subscribed, just head down below and subscribe. And don't forget to like the video as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.